Subscribe.
No comment.
She said no comments.
And
And make sure you like the video.
I was trying to slow down.
So hey you guys, it's V and
Maya.
so today y'all, I'm gonna let my 12-year-old drive. Yes, I'm about to let my 12-year-old drive before I take her to school. She just got done getting her braces done. What color did you pick?
Pink.
She picked pink, y'all. And y'all don't come for me telling me that I need some braces. I know what I need. Okay? Anywho, we finna get into the video. Stop. She finna drive, so come on over.
Okay. Hi. I'm so sorry, yeah.
You need to scoot up?
Y'all want to see the wheel? Can I see the wheel?
What they seeing the wheel for?
Because they need to see if it's proof that I'm driving.
They know you driving.
Y'all, look.
Okay, brake.
Y'all see that wheel?
Okay. So, brakes. You gotta go and drive.
Where's the brakes again?
Do not push the gas.
Okay.
I'm not playing.
Okay.
Brake.
Just the brake.
Hold the brake so we can go and drive.
Just the brake.
Go up.
Okay.
Let your seat up.
Ooh.
Okay.
Get away from me, y'all.
Do not try this at home unless you with an adult. Do it with an adult.
I'm
not by
scared.
yourself. Okay, y'all. You're not scared. Let's do a Okay. So
No, I don't want to do that. Like,
you on the brake?
yes, ma'am.
Don't get off the brake yet. Okay, now get off the brake. Get off the brake. There you go.
Ooh, I'm scared, y'all.
Just do not hit the gas.
Um,
Y'all, when y'all teaching y'all kids how to drive, just let them use the brake. Don't let them touch the gas at all. Only the brake. They ain't ready for the gas. Okay, we stop. We stop. Oh my God. We look left, right, left. Do you see anything coming?
No.
Okay, now we go. Don't go straight across, turn. It's a whole pond over there.
I know.
Okay, make sure you're not hitting the curb.
I'm not. What is a curve?
Curb. This. Keep going. We
I'm
got it.
sorry.
Yeah, take your time.
Yeah, I'm taking my time. Help me.
Okay. What you doing?
I'm trying to stop.
Okay.
I don't know where I'm going.
You turn that way. Okay.
Go.
Don't tell it to give it time.
Okay.
You don't tell the vehicle to go. It go with it.
I was trying to slow down.
Okay, you about to knock my buzzer loose. Lord help me.
Can we turn this way?
Okay.
No, I'm not ready for that part because I like turning
What?
this way.
You need to learn how to turn right, not only
You
left.
want me to turn that way?
So this is the view, y'all. We are in a park, in a parking lot, and I'm letting her drive. Yes, my 12-year-old.
You sound.
Just turned 12
You sound.
in January.
Mom.
Okay, we're gonna stop. It's
going.
Okay, the brake. That's why you got the brakes, girl. Lord. Okay. Then you turn. We're gonna turn. Yep, good job. We stand in the middle. Yep, good job. You're doing great.
When am I gonna learn the gas?
You I'm sorry for cursing, y'all. You learning the brakes, not gas. Do y'all see? Okay, stop. Stop!
I'm trying to slow down.
So do y'all see what's in front of us? Like, just a minute ago, I thought we were finna go over there because she just doing too much.
I'm not doing too
But
much.
yeah, this is where we
Are.
practice driving at. Mm-hmm.
Can I go now?
Why she ready to go, y'all?
Can we go now?
Okay, go. Okay, you got this, girl. Okay, it's with the yeah. Okay, you got it. You got it.
I can't drive with nobody.
You doing great. I would be scared to teach Cameron how to drive because he would do the opposite of what I'm telling him to do, and that would, oh my gosh, scare me. Girl, you got the phone rocking. Okay, stop.
I'm
Stop.
trying.
You supposed to be stop. You all the way out here. Okay.
Okay, I don't
Okay,
know.
you got it. You got it. Oh, you going somewhere else?
I think
You going to that?
I don't know. Cause I passed it basically.
Okay, right here. Oh, whoa.
Well, I don't know. Can I go on a speed bump?
Girl, you not finna tell my child I'm trying to go on a speed bump. What is you doing? Swerving?
I'm trying.
Okay, then turn. I want you to learn how to turn in the middle of the park a lot. Come on.
Just turn.
Yes. Go slow though.
Oh.
What are you? Keep going. Just turn. You got it. Keep going in the circle so you can learn how to go in circles. We are not in a scat. What's wrong?
I don't like this. It's feeling.
Then go the other way. Right. Oh, shit. Turn that way, girl. Okay, just turn. You got me crying.
I didn't know. I thought that was over with.
No, okay, keep going.
Well, I don't know where I'm going, Mama.
You just turning. You making circles.
Oh.
Don't go. Why you going so fast in the dang circle?
Oh, I'm trying.
Break. Break.
I'm slowing down. You want me to?
Y'all, this girl got me crying. Oh my gosh. What they got going on?
That finna get ran over.
What they got?
Oh, baby.
Yeah, this girl is funny. She got me too tickled. I gotta finish my hair. You wanna keep going?
No.
You done? Are you sure?
Yes.
Girl, go one more time.
Can I go on speed bump though?
Yeah, go to speed bump. But you gotta go slow.
I don't know
Okay.
if this is gonna work.
You got it. Just don't go fast.
Of course, you never go fast on a speed bump.
Turn.
I don't know, Mama.
You need to learn how to park and put it in park.
How do you put it in park?
She's doing awesome, y'all. I trust my daughter with my life.
That's something that you might not want to do.
Okay,
Where we
which way you going? You know, just don't go straight across.
A show.
Oh, y'all, let me show them this view. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful, y'all. We don't need you to touch nobody's car, baby. We can't afford to touch nobody's car.
Can we drive over the grass?
You want to?
Yes, ma'am.
No, I want you to turn.
Mama, there's a car right here.
I'm right here.
Mom,
Look,
there's a
listen,
car.
be quiet.
Mom,
Be quiet.
Mama, there's a car right
Be
here.
quiet. I am here to help you.
And somebody in there. I can't do it.
Yes, you can.
Mama, you
Shamaya,
gotta stop.
I'm about to help you go. 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 I'm gonna help you.
Okay, now I gotta slow down.
Just slow down all the way.
Come on, be slow. Oh my god.
You got it. I'm telling you, I'm right here.
I don't know.
Slow down. Slow down. Just keep going. And then you get ready and turn.
Come on.
Stop. Don't turn too hard. Okay, there you go. Get off the brake.
Okay, I'm turning. Oh, I'm going on 2 speed bumps. I'm not turning.
Nice, girl. You wanna go to the park and play?
I'm too old. I'm sorry.
Girl, knock my bun out. Now you go over the next speed bump slow. I said bump. Slow.
Dictionary.
The dictionary.
You need a dictionary.
You scared me. Oh no.
Mom!
Oh no.
Mom!
Oh shit. You better not have put that gas. I'm gonna put your car. Ooh, excuse me, y'all. Girl, look at the dang road.
You gotta cut that out.
I'll whoop you though. I'm just talking. Why you start concentrating on the road though? You looking at me driving. You not supposed to look at me and drive. And then they say, please keep off the grass. Please don't get on them people's grass.
Yeah, people, I do.
Somebody watching us on camera.
Somebody watching us on camera.
Girl, you turned a little too.
Okay, let's stop, cause I can't.
I'm just playing. Ain't nobody watching us. Yeah, this is good.
Can I park now?
Yeah. Why you want to park in front of the office?
Beep 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 beep.
What is you got going on?
I'm turning.
Okay, you got it. Okay, go down.
I'm finna drive just with one hand. Should I?
Then you help. No. Lord. No, do not drive with one hand. Let me see you drive with one hand. You must be gangster or something. Don't be side at me. Okay, which way you going?
I don't. How I supposed? Mom, there's only one way I could
You
go.
want to drive to the next parking lot?
I don't trust myself in that process. I don't even trust me doing this for real. Hi, y'all.
You done or you still driving?
I'm done.
Okay, now park.
Don't you need a? Oh no. Oh no. This is the worst parking ever. Mom.
Where your brake?
I don't know.
Okay, now put it in park. Keep your foot on the brake. Put it in park. Oh, look at that girl. I got a 12, y'all. I got a 12-year-old that know how to drive. 12-year-old that know how to drive. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Mom, you cringing me.
Tell them. So, y'all make sure y'all like the video.
Like it.
Subscribe. Comment.
I don't know. Oh my God.
Let me know or let her know if she did a good job or not. Okay?
Like, my conscience says you should never drive again.
She's silly. Anything you want to say to them?
I love y'all.
Send them some hearts.
Bye.
Send them some hearts, girl. Here. Heart. Doop. You know. Doop. Doop. Doop.
What's happening?
Y'all like my bracelet? I got charms. They are cute. Let them see your feet for today.
Bye bye, y'all.
Oh shit! Excuse me, y'all. She do too much.
I left y'all. I'm still coming back.
So y'all,
Shout out Corey
subscribe.
Kitchen.
Oh, Corey Kitchen on.
My man.
Did it?
Y'all, see y'all later. I'm on the street.
Y'all need to come get y'all niece, y'all little sister, y'all little cousin. So baby,
Mama, this is the worst
I'm the
part.
only one saying, "Have you seen my boyfriend?
My boyfriend. Have you seen my boyfriend? My boyfriend. Have you seen my boyfriend? No.
She don't want me to do nothing. But yeah, y'all. Tell them to do what to do again. Tell them what to do.
So. My mama ghetto, ain't it?
I'm not ghetto.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
No comment.
She said no comments.
And
And make sure you like the video. Thumbs up.
Yeah.
Thumbs up. Not that way, but this way. Okay? Because we love y'all. And y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.
Sassy.
Say bye.
Bye.